Hey, I'm attempting to finish trying to weld my tailpipe on my truck today. Ah. All right. Got my welder welded up. I got my tailpipe on my piece here. I've done welded this one and that one and that one. Yeah, I thought I was filming it. Gotta start looking at the phone. Make sure I'm welding. So I'm gonna make sure I get this one. I'm gonna put my gloves on. Probably not the best way to learn how to weld underneath a truck, going around and round instead of on a something square and flat. But on the job training. Well, it don't look too good. My right hand is a lot better at welding. All right, let's see if we can. You can see it when you can see it pretty good. You don't do too bad. Too bad when you can see it, or you can get to it real good. Boy, it gets hot. Woo! I gotta learn to get me some. It went in a little pocket hole there. Woo, man! I gotta get me some. I'm gonna do this. Some better gear. Woo! Look, I was gonna put this on for my face. I was on. Woo! Okay. Put on there. It ain't quite long enough to get out in my truck there. I thought maybe if I bought one of those little small chrome tailpipe covers put on it, but it still wouldn't get it out far enough. I thought for sure that was gonna get me out far enough. That's sure better. one I took off. Look at the holes in that thing. Piece on the end here is still good. What if I could put that on there? Blur it out, make that work. So what I'm doing here is making this pipe fit the pipe that's on the truck because it's the same size. So I took my hacksaw and put splits in it. Now I'm beating it out so it actually fit up on top of the other pipe and weld it. You know, then tap it back down a little bit on there so it's a little bit cleaner. I could have went and got a connector and put on there, but I didn't feel like leaving and going to the store, and so I forgot to try this. I still might cut it off and put a connector on it, make it look a little better. But it'll work for now. I'm gonna cut more little spot welds here and there. Gotta remember, still kind of hot. Woo. That's looking pretty good, folks. Maybe a little bit more right there. Well, takes practice. Lots and lots and lots of practice if you want them nice faux welds. It's on there. All right, hope you like that welding lesson. My welding lesson. The water's probably cooled off. I think you're supposed to let them cool off about 10 minutes before you shut them off. And so we'll holler at you again some other time. See you on the flip side. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Well, I guess I got my first welding wound. You gonna let me weld? Huh? Okay.